Hi everyone, my name is Amok Janalgadda. Today we are going to learn about tuple in Python. So let's get started. First I'll give a variable called tup1 equal to tup1 is just a tuple 1. So I will give 1 comma double quotes Python, and here I will give 90.0, here true 1 comma 1, or I think these are enough. Now I will just print it to 1 to check if it works. Okay, here. Okay, now I'm going to get the first item, like the first value in tuple 1. Okay, to do that I give print the variable name tup1 and 1. Okay, now if we run it, you can see Python, because it starts from 0 and 1. Okay, now print tup1. Here I'm giving -2. Now we will get the output -2, like the 2, like the second item, like the third one. Okay, now I'll give a few more values, like 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma, like also, and here like QA, and here like 2 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, now here I'm giving like print tup1 dot count. Okay, print tup1 dot count and 1. Okay, there it's total 5 of them. Total it's not 5. Okay, and now here I will give like a like 3, I get 0, 2, I get 3. Now I will give here like print tup1 dot index and 90.0. Now if I run it, you can see I got 2, because I want to check in which index it is, like in which number it is, 0, 1, 2. So that's why it's showing 2. Now I will give print tup1 like 2.4. I get 90.0 and true 2.4. So from here to here, if I give like it's coming like that, because first it's shown 90.0 because I given here 2.4. It's shown 2. Now here it give true only because I given 4. So before 4 it's showing this is the third one. So that's why it's coming like that. Now I will give just like this, so that now we'll do a different one so that you can understand some of it. I'll give print, or I will give like tup1 0 equal to among here print tup1, and here I am giving I want like type tup1. Oh, okay, I'll just comment this, or okay, I'll comment this. Okay, you can see the type of it, it's a tuple, and also I just print it. It's not coming here this amount because it is not in the tup1. Okay, now I will create another file called like tuple demo recording 2. Okay, here I am giving tup1 equal to brackets 1 comma python comma 19.0 true 1 comma 1 comma 1 or just a minute, or it's okay, I'll do for the next one, for the next file 2 comma 2 comma 2 print type of tup1, because we are going to just like check the type of the data type that we are doing. It's a tuple. Every time like even in the previous classes I given like like I show you many times about type, like it'll print like a kind of a data type, like it will print like what data type it is, and it's coming class over here because data type is a class and this is a data type, so it's coming a class. Okay, now here I will give print tup1. Okay, I'll just run it and then okay, it's working fine. Now I'll give L1. Now we will learn about like how to turn a tuple into a list. Okay, I'll give variable called L1 like a list1 equal to a list constructor. Okay, a list constructor, and I'll give the tuple name. Now I'll just print it, print L1 like that. You can see it came in the square brackets, so it's a list. And now you can turn it to a set also. I will give like S1 like a set1 equal to set constructor, and again the tuple name, and just need to print it. Okay, now you can see a set. It's not showing everything, that's because I told you about set, like it won't like allow duplicate elements, so that's why it's showing like this. And now here I'm giving like a print something like this, so that we can understand like what we are using right now. And I'll give tup2 this time. Tup2 equal to like among Jonalagada. Okay, now here I am giving print tup2, like the name of the variable we just created, print length of tup2, like printing the length of the tuple. It's possible, we can create a we can get the length of it. Now I am creating another variable called tup3 equal to amog Janalagada. Okay, now I am giving my surname. Okay, tup3, and here like print len. Oh, okay, tup3. Now here I'm giving L1, like first I'm creating I will create a list. Inside the list I'll give a tuple. Okay, I'll give L1 a variable like list1, and there I will give equal to list into equal to square brackets. Inside I'll give the tuple. Okay, now here I'm giving a variable called 1 comma 3 comma 5, and I will create another tuple like 2 comma 4 comma 6, and I'll create one last tuple like 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, now and I'll give print L1. Okay, now if I run it, you can see I got 2 4 5. I got the second tuple. That's because I given here 1, and it start from 0 like 0 1, and I'm giving here 2. Now I got 6. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I'll create another file, a Python file. Now here I'll give tuple demo recording 3. Okay, here I'm giving t1 equal to tuple constructor. Like we will learn how to use a tuple constructor now. This is the last file, tuple constructor. Inside I'll give a list among Python and automation. Okay, now I'm giving x comma z comma 7. Okay, and here I'm giving comma, or I think those are enough. Now I will give like equal to t1. Now here I'm giving z. Okay, now we'll check what we will get the output. Okay, run it. Stop and rerun. Okay, now you can see we get automation because I'll explain. Here X means amog, Y means Python, and Z means automation. Okay, suppose here if I give like comma also A and run it, I'll get an error. Here you can see not enough values to unpack because we given only 3 values. Given only 3 values and 4 variables here, so that's why we get an error. Suppose if I give like 3 variables and 4 values, you can see too many values to unpack. Now here if I give another variable, now correct, there's no problem. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. First we learn about a few methods in also tuple. Next we learn about how to turn a tuple into a list or a set, and how to and how to make too many tuples in just one list. And finally we learn how to use a tuple constructor. So please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching and bye.